Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Preview panel in Windows 11 File Explorer does not display PDF file. So how to fix? Okay, first open this PC, click on View. After that, click on Show, and then click to Preview panel. Okay, and then close it. Otherwise, you can see Preview option also there. So you can open it. It will show here. Okay, sometime it's showing in the show preview options, and sometime it will show in the right hand side. Okay. Means okay, preview it will click here. Next step, reset file explorer. So click to start, type task manager, open it, then full screen, then select the Windows Explorer, and then click on reset. Wait few seconds, it will come back again task manager like comment, and then close it. Okay, then open again file explorer, then click on three dot, and then click to option. After that, click clean file explorer history. So just single click. So after that, it cookies and cache, it will close it and clean, then close. Next, verify explorer setting. So again open the file explorer, then click on three dot, then option, then click on view, then find out show preview handle preview panel. So make sure you check this show preview. Okay, and next, always show icon never thumbnail. This is uncheck it, and then apply, and then okay, and then close it. Next command, Windows repair Windows system file. So first open cmd command from, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator. After that, type this command DSM online clean image restore, and then hit enter. So it will start a percentage, it will repair the Windows files. Okay, and after this complete, then run next command, but it's complete 100%, then try to second one. Second command is sfc scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it will start a percentage. So both command one by one completed, then restart your system, and then please check it. If your issue is not resolved, no worry about it, you can comment me, I will create another video. And you also share your system, your model number also. And if you want to share snaps, to check out the link in description, so you can fill the form, so my team will check and update you. Okay, thank you.